Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make milkshake shorts. First, you'll want to gather all your ingredients and tools. This includes about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, 1/4 cup of milk, and any desired mix-ins. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go, along with your measuring cups and a tall serving glass. Getting everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Achieving the perfect consistency starts with the right ingredient ratios. Aim for about 2 parts ice cream to 1 part milk. This usually gives you that ideal thick, yet drinkable, texture. Don't forget to chill your serving glass in the freezer for at least 10 minutes. This simple step keeps your milkshake colder longer. Also, have your toppings ready to go for immediate enjoyment. Now for the blending, always add your milk to the blender first, followed by the ice cream. This helps the blades catch everything more efficiently. Begin blending on a low speed, then slowly increase it to high, letting it run for about 30 seconds. If you see any unblended pieces, give it a few quick pulses. You're aiming for a perfectly smooth, creamy texture without any lumps. Once blended, pour your delicious milkshake immediately into your pre-chilled glass. This ensures it stays wonderfully cold and thick. Now comes the fun part, customization. Add a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or a sprinkle of your favorite candy. Make it truly yours. For more great tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which is perfect for keeping your kitchen clean after your milkshake adventures, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below. Enjoy your amazing homemade milkshake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.